Today we're making a marbled cherry cake. It's super easy and always turns out great. You'll find the exact ingredients in the video description. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe. Beat the eggs and sugar until you get a fluffy white mixture. This should take a good few minutes. Next, sift the flour with baking powder. Add half to the egg mixture, then pour in a cup of oil and 3/4 cup of sparkling water. Add the rest of the flour and baking powder. Split the batter in 2 bowls. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa to 1/2 and mix well. You can use a mixer if you prefer. For the light half, add a tablespoon of wheat flour and mix until smooth. Now we'll pour the batters into the pan alternately, about 4 or 5 times. I'm using a 23 by 33 centimeters baking tray. That's roughly the size you'll need. Next, add pitted cherries. You can swirl the batter with a stick for a marbled effect. Pop it in a preheated oven and bake for 50 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Feel free to use other fruits. It's delicious and rises beautifully. Enjoy!